Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called preferences, and once you find it, tap on it. And here find the option called watch language, and once you find it, tap on it. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen, and we can scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. You can also select the option called follows the phone's language. So basically, if your watch is paired with a phone and you have certain language set to your phone, the watch will also be using that language. Okay, so let's say I want to change the language to Deutsch. Tap on it to select it. And after it's done, the language should be applied. Okay. You can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zap application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on it there should be Amazfit Bip 5. Tap on it to select it. Now find the option called watch settings and tap on it. And here you should see the option called system language. Select it, find the list, or rather scroll through the list and find the language. Tap on it to select it, tap on OK, and the language should be changed. Like this. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.